Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make banga soup, which is also known as akwu. So I'm going to start by adding my meat into my clean pot. So I'm using beef for this recipe. Next I will add my cow tripe. Next I will add my chopped onion, and after that I'll add some seasoning herbs. After that I'll go ahead to add my salt and some stock cube. After that, I will mix. After mixing and making sure that everything is properly mixed, I'll cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'll go ahead to add some water into my meat, cover the pot and allow it to cook until the meat becomes soft. After my meat is well cooked, I'll go ahead to add my banga into my pot of soup. And after that, I'll add some fresh chopped tomatoes. This is optional, you can skip this. And after that, I will mix. After mixing, I'll cover the pot and allow it to boil down for some time. Few minutes later, I'm going to check on the soup now. Next, I will add my well cleaned catfish, and after adding the catfish, I will cover the pot and allow the fish to cook until the fish is done. After the fish is well cooked now, I'm going to go ahead to take out the catfish from the soup to prevent it from breaking. Next, I'll go ahead to add my remaining chopped onion, and after that, I'll add my blended pepper, add some blended crayfish. Next, I'll add the stock cube, some salt and some banga spices. Then I'll give it a quick stir. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my well deboned smoked mackerel fish, and after that I will stir. Next, I will add some water to my soup, and after that I will cover the pot and allow it to boil for a few minutes. Finally, I'm going to go ahead to add in some vegetable leaves into my pot of soup. You can use scent leaf for this recipe or any leaf of your choice, or you can as well skip adding leaf. I'm going to keep on stirring until everything is properly mixed together. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my well-cooked catfish. And after adding in the catfish, no need of allowing the soup to cook for a long time again. Just cover the pot and allow it to cook for like a minute. And after that, your banga soup is ready. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.